13, 14 formula will be upper, lower and proper. These are the some cases are required when you are presenting some data in a particular format. So like example, we have taken a names. If you see first name, it is written something, capital, small and capital. So likewise, you might receive a data from system where it is not properly sorted. So you can use either of these three. It totally depends upon the requirement how you want it to show. Like in title, normally we present in uppercase. So like simply write upper. So you will see convert text string to all uppercase letter. Open bracket and select your data, or you can either type it. So it will be all caps for every letter you have selected the data. Same way, suppose you wanted to show as a lower, select your text or either enter your text inside all small. So if you see, it is showing as small. Now what is the proper case? So if you see, a convert text string to proper case, the first letter in each is uppercase, all other are small. Like normally in English we write as the first letter of your email is in capital, all other will be in small. In this, first letter or first alphabet of each name is in capital, all other all small. So these three are totally basic formulas, but it is useful when you are writing something, summarize data. A letter should your header should be in caps, all caps, and these are the depending upon your requirement.